Hello guys, and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to bypass the chat verification slash age verification for Roblox. So what this means is you will be able to basically start chatting and using your mic, etc. So if you want to be able to do this, watch the video up until the end. So let's get straight into the video. So there are a few ways of doing this. One of the ways is by, for example, if we make our way over to the settings place where we're actually able to use an ID to verify your birthday or whatever. Here basically one of the options is a upload your ID, like a license, and then I believe the other option is upload a selfie. Now for the selfie, what you can do is you can go ahead and use AI. Now what I mean by this is you can use your own picture, for example, I believe, and then you can go ahead and just ask AI to make yourself look older or something along those lines, where you pass the, or you could just use a completely new picture from AI, whatever, just to make it verify your age. Or what you can do is, if you don't want to go down that route, you can go ahead and just use a older siblings or parents ID slash selfie. That will also work as well. However, I do think AI one is easier. I have seen people like on TikTok, for example, do that, and it has worked. They've even done it for like a game character, and even that passed. So if you were to actually do it for yourself or like someone else, or to generate a new character, that will 100% work as well. So yeah, these are the ways to bypass chat slash age verification. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.